Yeah. Oh, but hello, Arvin. How are ya? I cannot hear you. I cannot hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear now.
What are you driving, man?
Where am I driving? I just finished having a piece of fish, filet of fish. No, Chick-fil-A, chicken sandwich.
You confused at what you ate or what?
What are you talking about? I'm heading to the office now.
Yeah, but my question was you confused at what you ate.
Yeah, I don't know the name, the fancy name. Filet of fish, Chick-fil-A, almost filet. Something with filet.
There you go. Okay. So
Yes.
Connie's joining. I'm just going to change my screen. Can you guys see that?
What goodies do you have for us today?
What I have for you, you missed something last week, so I'll recoup it, but I want to just make sure that everybody gets it.
Well, since let me ask you a question because I follow Mike Ferry,
Yeah.
and I messed up an opportunity to take a listing. I supposed to have an appointment this today afternoon.
Right.
I got the appointment yesterday. The guy was very motivated to sell because he's going through a divorce.
Right.
And I prepared I prepared a package, a pre-listing package,
Right.
and I put the contract in it. I put the price, the price and I put 6% commission.
Hold on. You're breaking up. You're breaking up on me. So, can you repeat what you just said?
Okay. So the guy wants $650 for his house.